Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing my January 2018 Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the first Boxycharm of this year and I'm pretty dang excited about it. So let's just jump right in. So the theme this month is Rock 2018. We actually get two little cards. One has, oops, that was upside down. One has like an ingredients list on it. I'm guessing because they didn't have the box in here or something with the ingredients, which is from this product. So the first product, which the ingredient list is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So I am quite intrigued by this. I have the regular Pores No More primer and I do really like that. I think it's quite nice. And so I'm interested to see what the luminizer primer is about. The other one I think is just kind of like a pore filler kind of a thing, maybe slightly mattifying. So I'm interested to see what this is about. Dr. Brandt is not cruelty-free, so going into 2018, I was kind of trying to plan out like my cruelty-free plan, if that makes sense. So over the last, maybe a little less than a year, I've been choosing not to buy non-cruelty-free makeup. So the makeup that I have been purchasing has been cruelty-free. For the most part. There's been like a few little exceptions over the last year, but for the most part everything has been cruelty-free, and which I think is great. I want to support cruelty-free makeup, but it gets sticky sometimes. So like, I'm not vegan, I don't want to be vegan, and I feel like that's like the ultimate cruelty-free kind of a thing. And so I keep going back and forth on it, on whether I'm like truly committing to this lifestyle, if that makes sense. But so what I have decided is I'm only going to purchase with my own money, like be supporting cruelty-free makeup, and then in boxes like this, because essentially I've already paid for it, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna use it, or like if someone gets me a gift, I'm still gonna use it. I don't want to be like so particular about it that it's just obnoxious. I think a lot of people do cruelty-free makeup great, and if you are choosing to be cruelty-free, that is awesome. If you are choosing not to be, that is awesome as well. It's all personal choice, so I'm kind of landing in the middle. Makeup that I go out and purchase on my own, I'm gonna make sure it's cruelty-free, but if I'm sent something in like a box or as a gift, I'm not gonna like get rid of it or like throw it away or something. I'm gonna probably use it. So, spiel over. But I'm pretty excited to try this, nonetheless, I guess, is where I was going with that. Next is from IT Cosmetics, and I'm pretty dang excited to try this. This is the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I have been intrigued about this pencil in the past because it is universal, like it's supposed to work on everyone's skin tone or like hair color. So I found that quite interesting because someone with my hair color, I feel like is going to be really different than with someone who has like black hair. So I'm quite intrigued. There's the color. You can kind of like just barely see it. It is kind of taupey, pretty cool toned. It is kind of fat. It's actually, the pencil size reminds me of the e.l.f. Oh wait, no, it's like oval. Oh, okay. Interesting. I was gonna say the pencil size reminds me of the e.l.f. brow pencil, but that one's just round. This one's oval, so I am intrigued. I'm pretty excited to give this a try. I feel like I'm always on the search for like a new brow pencil because I feel like I'm never quite accomplishing like the look I'm going for, so I will be excited to try this. On the other side is a little spoolie. That's kind of interesting. Like it's so close to the base. I feel like maybe it won't be hard to use. I don't know. I'm pretty excited about that though. And It Cosmetics, that's a super good brand. Speaking of good brands, and another one that I've never used anything from this brand, I got a matte lip paint from Galactic. Now, Galactic, I don't think is a brand that I would like ever go and search out on my own. I feel like they only sell it in like really nice stores, and I don't usually go to those places, nor do I want to spend a ton of money. Anyways, so I got it in the shade Demure, and it's like this really pretty rosy color. Ooh, that's pretty. That's like a perfect shade for me. And that smells so good. It's like cupcakes. I'm pretty excited to try this. Packaging's pretty cute. And I've never tried anything from Galactic, like I said, so that's pretty cool. I haven't really been into matte lips lately, but we'll give it a go. We have a face palette from Pure Cosmetics. I am pretty excited about this because my first Boxycharm, which was like back in September, we had a Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I love that palette. I use it all the time, so I'm quite interested to see what this one is about. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We've got a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer, and I have seen some videos already of people swatching this. Ooh, it does kick up kind of some excess powder, but this is so pigmented. This is obnoxious. How is this? I feel like I've never used like face products that have been this pigmented. Holy crap. This is like almost creamy feeling. Okay, sorry. The swatches are kind of in weird spots, but there's that bronzer, the highlight, and the blush. Those are all quite pigmented, like crazy pigmented. The highlight definitely looks like a color that I would use. Bronzer, I have no idea. Maybe if I apply it like super blended out. Like, here's just what's left on my finger. Let me see what it's like over here. Like, that's so much pigment still, and so shimmery. I don't usually use a ton of shimmer. So these are so pigmented. I'm kind of scared, honestly. I like not super pigmented face products because then I can go a little crazy and it doesn't turn out like crazy on my face. It's still kind of subtle. So I'm kind of scared of this, but like excited too. But they're so soft. I will definitely give those a try. The bronzer might have to like really wait until summer. I am wearing bronzer today, but like so subtle. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. And the last thing in the box is an eyeshadow palette. So I think this is like the third eyeshadow palette I've gotten from Boxycharm, which is cool. Like, it's always fun to get an eyeshadow palette. This one is from Crown Cosmetics. I have a few like face brushes from them, but I've never tried any kind of like makeup product before. And this is the Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. All of these are quite shimmery, so I'm kind of nervous. So this is what the palette looks like. We've got some really pretty colors here. It's got like a cool mirror up top here in the shape of a guitar. I'm gonna swatch a few of these that look interesting to me. I'm gonna swatch this bottom one here. It's called Pop Punk. And then we'll go with Wild Thing. Black Metal up here because black. And let's do down here The Wicked. So those are kind of cool. I like that black shade. It's almost like a soft black. Like there's a little tiny bit of like sheen to it, but it's not shimmery and it's not quite matte. And it almost has like a khaki kind of a color to it. I don't know, it's interesting. That Pop Punk shade, which was this one, I'm really liking that. I think that's pretty cool. It's like a silvery gold. And then those other two are just kind of like warm bronzy colors. This will be fun to play with. I don't have any like really all shimmer palettes that I use right now. I do have one from Urban Decay that's all shimmery, and I don't ever use it, and so we'll see how this goes. So I am pretty excited to be trying all of these products out. So for the rest of January, I'm going to be using all these products, gathering some thoughts, getting some ideas of what I want to tell you guys. So on the last day of the month, or kind of what I've been doing lately has just been combining it with my monthly favorites, is I do a subscription recap. So I talk about all the products that I got in subscriptions, which this month is just Boxycharm. But I just kind of do like a quick rundown. Was it a hit? Was it a miss? Do I like it? Do I keep using it? Am I just like kind of done with it? So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I just wanted to open this up. I'm excited to use some of these products. I'm really excited about the brow pencil as well as the primer. And actually, I mean, I'm pretty excited about the Galactic lip paint. And honestly, I mean, this intrigues me, but I'm kind of scared at the same time. And then the palette, we'll kind of see how this goes. The shimmers scare me, but it's pretty, so we'll see. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe down below, I would love to have you around. And until next time, bye guys! Today, I am going to be doing my January 27, not 2017. Speaking of girl, nope.